parameterization of surfaces or parametric surface. So as you remember, we have curve in the space and we use some vectors to define those curves. It's going to be the same thing when we're dealing with a surface. We want to describe a surface like S using parameters. We're going to introduce new parameters. It helps us to convert the formula for a surface into using just two parameters. It makes the calculations much more easier for us. So we're going to define R of U and V equals to, here we have X depends on these two new parameters U and V, Y depends on these two new parameters U and V, and the last component Z also depends on these new parameters U and V. We have a parametric surface with parametric equation. Let's go over one example. What I'm talking about here, parametric surface. What is this? For example, suppose I give you the following vector equation for the surface. Let a surface be given by a vector as follows. R of U and V is given to you as 2 cosine U and V and 2 sine U. And the question says, hey, identify this surface. What is this surface? Okay. So it says that, well, my X is 2 cosine U, my Y is V, and my Z is 2 sine U. Can I find a relation between these three? Recall that we have three variables in two parameters. We want to find a relation between X, Y, and Z. So if I take my X, square it, take my Z, square it, I can find a relation here somewhere. X is equal to 2 cosine U, so X squared is 4 cosine squared of U. My Y is 2 sine U, and my Y squared is 4 sine squared U. Well, if I add these together, X squared plus Y squared becomes 4. Okay, this is Z. Let me just fix that. This is Z. Okay, Z squared. Conventionally, we write everything in X and Y. So this is this guy here. So it says that, hey, in XY plane and Z, I have the following. And my Y is equal to V. X and Z, so it means that I have a circle with radius 2, and it's moving along the y-axis. Well, I already know what this is. It's a cylinder, am I right? This surface represents a cylinder. This parametric surface represents a cylinder. So a cylinder written in parametric form.